Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Casino, there is a limited challenge made by one citizen. He says that not only the tourist but all Goans also should be permitted to enter the casino. We have argued before the High Court to say that this is a reasonable distinction which we have made to protect the Goan people from the vice of this casino, and that has been there for a long time. From the beginning such a restriction is there. Our case is that in the welfare of the people of the state such a restriction is imposed, and to avoid any loss to the people of Goa this restriction has been imposed, and such has been the stand of the government, and it is a reasonable classification which we have done, which is in accordance with the constitution of India.